of popular buildings here in London because of the pointed, what do you call that, tip of the building? And that's the Shard. It's so nice that like it's so sunny or like it's so bright. Like there's not a single cloud like today and yesterday, so
Just cold.
yeah, it's just windy. I mean, I think that's London weather, but it's not snowing or anything. I think the weather is positive even.
Yeah, it's just like rain.
Yeah, so it's just cold and windy. But yeah,
It's all like a tall building, like there's a lot of shade here, so you can't really go in the sun too much.
yeah.
You can see it. It's just like feeling.
This is the main London Bridge, but on the other side over there, that's what people think that's the London Bridge, but it's not. This is the original London Bridge, and that one over there, they just built it, trying to imitate or copy the original London Bridge before. That's why it's like it looks more nicer and whatever. Tower Bridge. So that upstairs, there's a glass part over there that you can walk through, and then you can see this part, but it costs like 20 euros or 20 pounds or something. What? Oh really? I mean, London traffic is crazy. You gotta do what you gotta do. But yeah, so that part on top, the bridge at the top, you have to pay for it, but the normal bridge where the car goes, it's for free. So it's up to you if you wanna pay extra or no. But because this trip is, we're gonna do mostly free stuff, so we're not gonna go inside places that you have to pay, if you can just go outside and see it from outside. So windy. So this is the Tower of London, but we didn't pay for it, so we're just walking outside. And that's the bridge. Sorry.
Just pointing it out.
Yeah, I'm just pointing it out. We don't know what's inside. They said it's a cool story, but again, it's not
really a tower though. It's just like that.
Yeah, I would say so. I think it's because of like, I don't know. There's like this circle tower thing, but it's not that high. But yeah, I think I would call it a castle too. But they call it a tower, so we're calling it a tower.
Lies. Deception.
Anyway, now we're going to Leadenhall Leadenhall. We're going to Leadenhall Market. It's one of the filming locations in Harry Potter movie, so we're just gonna check it out because he's a Harry Potter fan, and we just recently watched the movie again. So yeah, and I think it's like just nice, the location. Well, not the location, the building. So it's good to see as well. And we have time to go. We have time before we go to Sky Garden. So yeah. The next destination for our walking tour is going to be the Sky Garden, and we're just walking towards there. It's right over there in the garden. It's at the very, very top. It says it's one of the highest garden in the UK. Yeah, and it's free. So this one is free. It's a free visit. You just have to book it like really well in advance. They usually release the tickets 3 weeks in advance, so you should be on top of it because it will be likely sell out closer to the date that you went to. Okay, Sky Garden is the highest public garden in London, and it's on 35th to 37th floor, so it's like kind of like an open space, I think. But yeah, and this is the queue, which is no one in here. I don't think it's busy enough. Once we're lined up, we just walk straight in. And then they have like a full-on security, they scan your bags and whatever. So yeah, this is nice. So the Sky Garden is not only just a garden, it's not only for a viewpoint, it also has bars and restaurants that you can book in advance and then enjoy the views while you're drinking or, you know, having dinner with someone. So it's a nice spot for a date night, right? I booked a 3:15 time slot, and it was just perfect for the sunset if you're gonna do it too, especially this time of the year that the sun sets like really early. It's only like 4:15 right now, so yeah, usually you're allowed for like an hour here, but the sun is already setting right now, so it was just perfect. Like that time slot is perfect for this time of the year, or winter, which is like right now it's January 10th. So yeah, that's just a little tip if you wanna book a trip, book your slot here, like which time is perfect. But yeah, 3:15 time slot for an hour is great, especially if you are very lucky with the weather that is like clear and like very little clouds. We're in the Millennium bridge, and it's literally just right in front of the St. Patrick Cathedral. And this bridge was shown in Harry Potter. They didn't film anything in here, it was just shown there. So if you're going to King Cross Station for the Harry Potter platform 3/4, you are it's gonna be so this we're in the food court area right now. It's on the second floor, but it's gonna be right at the very back over there. There's always a line up there, so you're gonna see that. Yeah, it's close to platform 9 and 10, but you don't have to go to the platform itself, it's just outside there. Okay.